Welcome to my YouTube channel Trade Shark, and this is Sunil here. As you know, we'll be talking about the week ended on Friday from the market hours perspective, and what could be our uh, viewpoint for the coming week. Okay. Now, as I've been telling since in our earlier videos that these two blue lines, right? This is the exact channel in which the Nifty is hovering around. Okay. So I had even mentioned that as soon as it reached 18,000 that it will start declining and it will again test the other end of the channel. So it very well came down to this particular level and in fact has broken that channel to the downside. Now, this is the interesting area here on the left. If you see over here, I'll just mark that so that uh, you will be able to. This area I'm talking about. Okay, there is huge consolidation happened during during the time 18th of June till July, and that is now acting as a support zone. Okay, so last time around let's say 7th March, 8th March, the Nifty did test that zone and bounce back. Okay, took the resistance here. Now we are again at the same level, but this time it is looking very bearish. Okay, so the thing is that if it sustains this particular level around 15,500, okay, we are good. Okay, so even if it does some sideways action here, okay, up down up down up down, we are good. But if it uh, breaks down, if it does not hold this support, then we may see directly 14,000 levels. Okay, around 14,000 levels. Hopefully it should sustain this level, so only the coming days will tell us what will happen. But overall, at this moment, the tone of the market is looking bearish to sideways. Okay, so this is the overall the look of the Nifty or viewpoint of Nifty. Now, I will talk today instead of individual stocks. I will be talking today about the other indices, and let's see how they are doing and how it is impacting overall Nifty at such or overall market at such, right? So to start with, let's go to first the IT index. Now you can see here it is a free fall, right? Since 5th April, it's a free fall. And it is still, there is no concrete support right now, but hopefully it will be a good support around 28,300 and so. Okay. So IT is not looking good, IT index. Okay. So let's see how it turns out to be in coming days if it sustains that particular support level and if it can reverse, only time will tell us. But at this moment, let's not build any long position unless we get some good sign of reversal. Okay, at this moment, this is really a big continuous fall. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So all IT stocks in in this IT index. So we'll have to wait and watch and see when we can get the reversal. The next sector I would like to see is pharma. Okay. Now pharma is little better than IT. Okay, because it has the last support was here and again it is testing the same support. Okay. So it's more or less like Nifty. If you see the Nifty also was like in this channel. So CNX Pharma is also in a kind of channel, but again taking support over this area. Okay, so hopefully pharma stocks probably would do little better than any sector, okay, in our market. So we may want to gradually, uh, we can keep on adding the stocks, for example, the Sun Pharmas and Lupins and like that, okay. But it should not be bulk buying it gradually. But again, please remember this area, if it will break down, you have to go, I mean, square off the positions because no point in keeping the losing positions, okay. So this is little better than the IT sector. So keep a watch on pharma stocks. Okay. The next I would like to see is Nifty Realty. Let's see how Realty is doing. Again, more or less similar. Only here it has broken down the last low. Okay. So it will be interesting to see how it behaves here, how it reacts to this particular demand zone. Okay. Or support zone. And again, right now, we don't see any concrete reversal here. So again, wait and watch for realty sector too. FMCG is doing good. Okay, so let's see the FMCG sector. Okay, so if you see here, it is making a higher high, higher low, higher high, equal high, and then higher low. Okay, so this is little bit better. I would say this is a better position, the FMCG sector, and it tried to bounce back on Friday, on that is 13th May, but again bears pushed it down. So it will be interesting to see how the FMCG works from here. So this is the level we need to watch for. Okay. If it holds, if we are above this, well and good, we can then concentrate on FMCG stocks. Okay. But again, as I mentioned, it should be not the bulk buying. So maybe one or two stocks. So buy and dips, keep on buy and dips. Okay. So that way we can build the portfolio in FMCG. So this is looking a little better. So we saw IT, pharma, realty, and FMCG. Let's have a look at the energy sector too. All right. So energy sector is also at a crucial support if you see. Okay. So this was the resistance zone earlier or supply zone. Now right now this has become a support. Okay. So let's uh, it will be interesting to see if it sustains or breaks down from here or sideways action here. So more or less, if you see, of course, Nifty is a combined of majority of all these sectors, right? So various stocks from different sectors. So it will reflect the similar kind of pattern to this sector. But more or less in Nifty also, if you see, or any other sectors except a few, uh, a very few, all the sectors and as well as the Nifty at are very crucial level. Okay, so right now the strategy should be wait and watch and keep stock specific approach. Okay, check the index levels. For example, FMCG is little better, pharma is little better, so we can target those stocks and uh, buy on dips. That's the only thing we can do right now. But keep strict stop losses. That is very important. So this is, of course, my analysis for the week ended on 13th May and what could be the approach in the coming weeks. Okay. Of course, as I've been mentioning that this is purely for educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor to take any decisions or what stocks you want to buy in the market. But overall, my analysis is like this, which I wanted to share with all of you. So if you want me to have a look at a particular stock, so please send me the details. I would be happy to talk with you or and let you know about what is my analysis on that. Of course, you can then consult with your financial advisor. Okay. All right. So, so that's all from my side for this week. Uh, Please share, subscribe to my channel, and see you next week. Bye bye.